If you're putting a brand new SSD in your PC for the first time, there are chances it might not show up in File Explorer. My name is Abdullah, you're watching Candid.Technology, and in this video we're talking about what do you do when that happens. So as you can see here, I have a drive that is showing up in File Explorer but with no space or anything like that. So you're going to run into two cases, one where your SSD doesn't even show up, or the second where it shows up like this but it gives you this error that you need to format the disk in Drive before you can use it. If it appears like this, you can just go ahead and format the drive. So if I double click on it, click on format disk, it will open up this label. Make sure quick format is selected, choose your file system of choice, and it will read unknown capacity because it just doesn't know how big the drive is. Click on start, then it will give you a format warning, click OK. And it might give you an error that says Windows was unable to complete the format. If that happens, then we're going to use pretty much the same solution for both the problems. So the first thing we need to do is to open up the start menu and search for create and format hard disk partitions right here. Once this opens up, you have to make sure that your SSD is showing up in here. So as you can see, I have disk 0, which is my core SSD with all its partitions. And then I have this other drive, this 8 GB drive, which is in this case my SSD and not properly showing up. You will see two things here. You will either see this black unallocated sector, which means the drive has storage, but it just hasn't been allocated, meaning the file system can't see it. Or you will be greeted with a prompt to create an unallocated sector on your drive if it's brand new and doesn't even show anything in here. So like not this black box. So that prompt you get as soon as you open up disk management automatically. Alternatively, if you're seeing this, all you have to do is right click and then click on new simple volume. So we're going to go ahead and create a basic volume on this drive. Click next. Maximum disk space, this will be the total size of the drive. Minimum disk space is this, and then you can give your simple volume size. So it's going to be the same as the maximum available size because we want to cover the full drive. Go ahead and click next. Now you can assign it custom drive letters if you want. Click next again. And then this will ask for a volume label, allocation unit size, file system, so on and so forth. You can select perform a quick format because that will in most cases get the job done. Go ahead and click on next, click finish, and you should be good to go as soon as this format finishes. So the drive disappears for a bit and it appears in here again, and now as you can see our drive has started appearing with all of its empty storage. This method is applicable for pretty much any storage drive in Windows. So if you have a new SSD, a new flash drive, a new memory card, and you can't get it to see, this method will also work on those agents. If you like this video, consider subscribing, give us a thumbs up, press the bell icon, or tell us in the comments below what more such videos can we make for you. And if this video did not help you out, you could also consider joining our membership to get a better support. Follow us on social media, follow me on Instagram, on Twitter, and we'll see you in the next video.